Senators demanding accountability, saying the foster care system failed a young child. Republican Senators Tello Titagui and Joanne Brown calling for a joint oversight hearing in a letter addressed to Health Committee Chair Speaker Therese Talahi and Public Safety Committee Chair Senator Chris Barnett.
The system failed, and we want to make sure that those that are in positions of authority are properly held responsible for it, because we don't want to see this happen again.
Senator Brown telling KUAM they want to know the process and procedures of screening foster parents.
Well, we certainly would like to know what happened. I mean, how do you have a situation where you have a vulnerable foster child that's put in the hands of someone that, it's reported supposedly as recently as a few months ago may have been charged with a similar situation of sexual abuse of a child. I mean, that is very concerning.
In the joint letter, Brown and Titagui also noting they spoke against a series of heavily debated bills passed in the 36th legislature meant to improve the availability of foster homes. They believe those bills favored speed over due diligence.
I think the most important thing at the end of the day is to make sure we know that these children are safe. And it was just very horrifying to hear that report that, we ended up having a young child in our community that was further harmed by someone that the government is paying to take care of this child.
As KUAM reported, the Guam Attorney General is investigating how defendant Ryan Joshua Cruz was able to foster a child with prior sexual assault allegations against him dating back to 2018. Cruz now facing charges for allegedly molesting the foster child multiple times since being placed in his care in February. Prosecutors have until April 3rd to bring his case before a grand jury for a possible indictment. Matsuki Hariyama, KUAM News.